Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your GPods with any Android phone or Android tablet. So first of all, before the pairing, just remember to charge your earbuds and the charging case for like 20 minutes by using this USB-C port, and also disconnect them from any previously connected devices. Next, you have to just open this charging case, and as you can see, this indicators just lights up, and in the most cases they will move to the pairing mode automatically. So on our Android device, we have to first of all activate the Bluetooth and then open the Bluetooth settings. Click to pair new device. Now take a look for the available devices list. As you can see, after a few moments, they appears on the list. So we can just click on them once, accept the pairing, and right now we are successfully connected. Next, I can recommend you to open the Play Store and get this application, the HHOGene. Yeah, I'm talking about this application. So that's basically the icon of this app. So let's get it on our Android device. Right now, let's open. Click Start. And right now we have to grant permissions. First for the Bluetooth. Second for location. There we go. And as you can see, when we previously connect them by the standard Bluetooth settings, like we did, will be already connected. And here we can find some information that, for example, we can update the firmware. I'm gonna do this actually later. And we are in the application. As you can see, we can change the LED color. Take a look. The galaxy, it will also change after a few moments. There we go. So yeah, you can find actually a lot of features in the application, and that's all for this video. Hope you like it.